How you doing, YouTube? This is Chris Muser here. I just got a Sabrent 4.0 PCI Express M.2 SSD. Whew, that's a lot of words to say. I'm going to show you how to vertically mount it on this TRX 40 board. Now, it shouldn't really take too long. It's really a pretty simple procedure. If you have this SSD, it comes with Acronis imaging software. So I'm going to show you the steps to take in order to clone your drive instead of a fresh install of Windows. Now, it shouldn't really take too long. I'm about to open it up and I'll show you an unboxing of this drive. Now, I got the one that's without the cooler because it's not really necessary because of where it's going to be mounted. And you'll see in a little bit why. That's it right there. As you can see, it comes with the Acronis imaging software. So with this, it'll make it a whole lot easier at the job. Now we're gonna open it up. Usually I like to find the weaker point, so it's just a lot easier to open. Or just get a pocket knife and just tear it up. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Pulling this out. Oh, it feels like a aluminum box here. That's it right there. That's it. Comes with instruction manuals here. And of course, there you go. Pop that open and you got the M.2 drive right here. And I'll show you what it looks like. In the back of it. It's beautiful, right? So let's put this one back on top and get started. Alright, so first things first, let's see. Of course, you gotta take out the glass tempered siding. As you can see here, you're gonna put the M.2 chip right there. Now, an M.2 stand, your motherboard should usually come with it. If it doesn't, you could probably order one off of Amazon for pretty cheap. But this comes out just like that. And as you can see, it's gonna, you just put it across here, just like that. You're good to go. So it's going to be pretty secure on it, so you don't really have to worry. And in this, you're going to see a few M.2 screws in there. They're really small screws that could pretty much hold it in place. It's kind of, you'll see the, kind of like a rubber grommet. And the small little tiny M.2 screws. It's really simple to do. You just, all you have to do, you see this up here? These are the different sizes of M.2 drives. And for this particular one, it's going to be, it looks like it's right there. It's going to be 2280. Looks like it'll be right there. And because of that, it's going to go right here. So it'll be about this simple. As you can see, you got the 2280. You're going to put this little grommet here into it, just like this. Just push it in. You're going to push it in and you're going to twist it. You're going to hear a click. You can make sure you can tug it. As you can see, it's pretty good. It's in a good location. Now it's completely up to you how you want to install it. For me, I want to show you guys, so I'm going to stand over here on the side, and you got to just install it onto these two holes up here. So just line it up just like this, and as you can see why when you install this, it's going to get plenty of airflow. Let me see. It looks lined up right there. Make sure you ground yourself when you're installing this. There you go. Now it's holding up a little bit. Get that second M.2 screw. Let's get that installed too. That's in. Now that ain't gonna go nowhere. Now we got our 4.0 1 terabyte drive, and we're gonna install it. Pretty simple, really. It just kind of slides in there. Make sure that you got it facing the correct direction. Heard that click? That's in. Now the purpose of this smaller rubber grommet, as you can see here, it's going to act as a stand, this rubber grommet here. And then we're going to put it right on top of it. There you go. It's in. It's installed. Now you can see the reason and why. Now you're going to have understanding why you don't really need a cooler, because you're already going to have the airflow from these front radiator fans, and you got the exhaust here, so it's getting plenty of airflow. It's not going to be sitting inside of here where it can get extremely hot. I hope you guys found that video very useful. Feel free to ask any questions down in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. This is Chris Mizo signing out.